What's up, everybody? It's your boy Mac Money. Today I'm going to teach you how to read a guitar chord chart in less than 60 seconds. There are a lot of chords, so I'm going to teach you a basic chord, which is an A chord, and that's how you'll learn how to read the chord chart. The A chord's played like this. This is what chord charts look like for the guitar, and at first glance it might seem a little intimidating, but don't let it fool you. This is actually really easy to read. Like I said, we'll start with the A chord, which looks like this. X means you don't play the string. The circle means it's an open string. The number along the sides indicates which fret you are playing on. So the chord chart is showing that your first finger is going to go on your D string 2nd fret, your G string 2nd fret, and your B string 2nd fret to get this sound. And that's all there is to learning how to read a guitar chord chart. Make sure to like this video, subscribe, follow me on TikTok, all that other fun stuff. Till next time.